Yeah, we can. If we do it step by step, and use a pencil. So let's get started. One thing we can do is add these two together.
How did you do that? We weren't even touching.
They don't have to be.
Could we do it if we were touching?
Yeah. We can also add these together.
5. Wouldn't it be 11 since 8 plus 3 is 11?
No, because we're adding together 8 and minus 3. Or, negative 3. So, it's 5.
Oh. I see something. We can add this. Why did that happen?
Because the 2 is connected to the 3 plus x.
Oh, so?
It's like adding apples and oranges. You can.
So what do we do?
Okay. See the 2 times 3 plus x? That's the same as 2 times 3 plus 2 times x, which is 6 plus 2x.
Oh. And 5 plus 6 is 11.
Yeah. Now, we have to move things around. We have to move this 2x to this side.
Oh. So, 5x.
Whenever you switch sides, you have to switch its sign. So if it's positive, it becomes negative and vice versa.
Why?
Think of it this way. You're subtracting 2x from each side.
Oh. So, it'd just be 1x or x.
Correct. Now, do the same with me. 4.
Oh, okay. 11 minus 4 is